So today we're going to be talking about the differences between professional photography and just taking photos with your phone when showcasing your home. So you'll want to stay tuned for this one, and make sure you subscribe down below so when I release my next video you are notified. Just click on that bell icon as well, and let's get started. Hi, Tammy Marcoux with Remax. So today we're going to be talking about the differences between professional photographs for a listing and non-professional, just taking photographs with your phone. A lot of people, when they are looking for a home on the internet, they start their search first online. So if you are not marketing your home the best it can be with professional photography, buyers will not even want to come and see your home. So if the photos look dark, if the photos look distorted, if the photos, just don't look great at all because there's so much clutter and the lighting is not right, a buyer's not even going to come into your home. And that's going to cost you money in the long run, the longer a home sits on the market. So I'm going to show you some differences between some photos that I've taken with my phone and some photos that I've had when I hired a professional photographer for this particular listing. So let's have a look at them. So here in this photo, you can see on the left-hand side the photos that were taken by a professional, and the ones on the right were the ones that I took with my phone. So you can see that the angles are not as wide. You can see that the lighting is a little bit darker on the right and a little bit washed out. If you can see the differences in the bathroom between the white and the washed out color. And again, in this particular photo comparison, you can see with the bedroom up above, the shadows that are on the wall, because I just don't have the right lighting with my phone. And then with the kitchen down below, you can see that the yellowness of the photo from the one on the right is taken by my phone. It just doesn't show the true colors. I hope you enjoyed this video and you see the value of having professional photography done for your home, floor plans done, and creating videos. That's another fun thing to do for homes. And if you found this informative, I do put out other helpful tips for real estate, for buyers and sellers. So be sure to subscribe down below and make sure you click on that bell icon so that you get notified the next time I put out a video. And be sure to give my video a thumbs up as well. And we'll catch you on the next one. And if this is important to you, get in touch with Matt. Looking at the listing online, you're scaring people. Hi, Tammy Marcoux with Remax. And get the professional photography and the floor plans done for your home. And